Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please, if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe, like and share. And for the old ones, I see you guys. Thanks so much for always tuning in. So on today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I install my knotless braided wig, which you can get them from me with the link that says to order a wig in my description box. So today I'm going to show you guys how to install this wig gluelessly, and my voiceover will be in pidgin English. So if you don't understand how the English, please just watch. It's self-explanatory. And yeah, let's get started. As you all know, I'm from Cameroon and we have our own English, our own pidgin language. So if you are from another country and you don't understand, please turn down the volume and then you watch, okay? So now with the plan and the bacala, I plait bacala for your head, so I go try for plait and knit. I go cut the line then very small, plait bacala as normally with the plait bacala now. If you don't know how to plait bacala, if you watch video then for YouTube where they show you how to plait bacala. So I'm going to show you now as I plait and the go, we go see how the end result go be. So right now I'll just fast forward down so that me will make this video me over long, you know. So over long video the ball. Now see as I won't plait the bacala, I don't need no as it shine and see here the shine. So okay, I go just go ahead, finish the bacala, and then I can show you now the end result, man. See the bacala, only bacala I will plait them. If you make me, I pay my school fees for 2 years. See as bacala shine. Okay, now so I I don't put that cap halfway so now because I want first of all sleeping in baby hair there with got to be spray. When you take got to be spray, you spray out for the play with that small hair, and then now you press and it go lay down, it go strong a little bit. So this time we'll not do that ball cap method. We'll just wear a normal because we do na glueless method, you know. The method we will know to use that hard glue way go stay for longer time, because this is my beautiful auntie this, so you want to use this wig now only for today tomorrow as it go sleep so the move and ye. So if you want the wear a wig in such a way where you go the wear and move and you mommy see the girl as if fine. Anyway, more continue. If you want the wear a wig the move and now so you go for wear them. Put makeup so now say me just give it same scar color, you know. But if I begin to do that ball cap method, I would put, you know, we didn't see that in the beautiful corner, but now we only do a ball cap method. What I see and so I put makeup and see me just make a say he fake scalp. For make a say he had the korobo. Anyways, so right now I put the same makeup. I put the same makeup for under the wig. When I put the makeup for the wig, so I will use got to be spray again. Spray and so that means seal the makeup so that may not go onto his skin, and then you go make and the scalp of the wig will look like say nice scalp. So I do that very thing for that wig, so like 3 times put the makeup, spray and put and spray and with that thing so that makes scalp. So you don't see an as it's natural now. I tell you everything. Say follow my step. I hope so you see the here. Anyways, see the wig now just correct it because it's nice size. You understand? So I go for drag and such I go drag and for front so that may reach the side where I want a may end. Just see if now, so if you just cut that little go But anyways, we go for fix that baby hairs. We go for make and meet the baby hair day. If not, for just leave me go so but now so my work the day. Now so my waka my poga, now so my poga the waka. Eh? And the finish all my thing there as a starter. Okay, so as I adjust and so I put the clips into for back, and when I know how the wig day, I don't make video way I show how to make the wig. Just in case you like the kind of wig you want to make your own, you click the link. You click the link for this card where I will show for up for the on your right hand. Click the link. Click that link. You'll see how to make your own. But if you never make them, click the link that for my description bar where it talks say to order a wig so that you order your own. Now $350 US. But if you think say it's here, click the other link where I don't put and say how to make a knotless braided wig. Click that one. Go make your own for your house. Okay. So right now I don't use God's to be spray now for spray and yes, they used to say God's to be spray as glue, but not na glue, so because water they just move them. So we don't spray and I say me a stick so that when I go do my baby hair, the baby hair go just she don't quiet for the. Then I use that band now for press and me really press the way when I go to do my baby hair, it no go disturb them. So when I don't finish now, I go use hot I'll use my hand dryer for heat. So that may help dry and quick. I don't give me time for the waste of palava sticking hair down, you know. You see, I dey only waste time for this thing because I dey want to make a dry fine. When you know dry fine, you know if it to make the baby hair. Except say you use glue before if he remain so. You know, say as I don't move and I don't cut the lace. I don't by mistake go delete that pathway I cut the lace. But anyways, I don't do plenty video then how to cut lace. So I dey cut the baby hairs a very short. If you like, you spray water, or if you like, you use your got to be gel the way it did. But before you want to use that, if you don't know how to use and fine, make sure you spray water for that forehead first. Then you use your comb or anything. This comb this, so I buy them for AliExpress, for some person for AliExpress. When I Taobao for we for year. So I buy them for me, the comb. And if you want your own, in China, you want your own, you know what to do. You inbox me. You get 2 side comb and brush. So you see, I'm not so then I do my baby hair. Just follow up. I don't know me how to explain how to do baby hair. Just swipe and then nail zoop. Just swap and swap. If you correct your eye, okay. If you don't correct your eye, you change them. That's what they do. We know they need to teach me how to do baby hair. Just do them. The way you correct your eye is different. The way you no correct. I beg, if you know say the origin level, you never subscribe. I don't know it to be a problem. What are you looking for? You've been watching forever and you haven't subscribed. What are you waiting for? Subscribe, please, okay? Thank you. When I say the more I touch auntie face, the more auntie they only find and find the go. Auntie they only find and find the go, Wow! When I say something, move me there. I don't know wait till you there for the only way the go the gear head the press and say plat a rasta. But if you just buy a normal rasta wig, so as auntie fresh, they say nothing happen. So as the wig just come on natural, Who else made the kind of wig if not just stecybenz? So if you want yourself this same wig, click the link that says to order a wig and then you get me on WhatsApp. You fit do any style with this wig. Hi ponyo, idea. Wait you, ide. He leave amo, ide. So enjoy the rest of the video. Now only for style and all that. So if you have any questions and everything, please leave in the comment section below and I will get back to you. The rest of the video now just for show you how to style up. So we watch till the end. Give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. If you want me to do videos like this talking in pidgin English, because all my love bless up, and the one post video here, you say your English no dey fine. I post here, you say you can't speak English properly. I say what? Okay, must speak wetin I dey speak am properly. And if you wonder whether your opinion really counts. Yeah, now bye. Talk to you guys later. See you.